We're here at Truck Access Plus in Phoenix, where we just got done installing the top of the line retractable bed cover. It's a RetraxPRO XR, one hand operation, super heavy duty and durable, complete aluminum. You can put up to 500 pounds of weight on top. All you do to access the bed is slide the cover back. So within seconds, you get the full bed access. We also did the AMP Research bed extender. This is gonna make your bed more functional. It can give you more space or keep things from sliding to the back. Here at Truck Access Plus, we get the bed set up for the best cargo management and security. It's important to cover the bed, keep your valuables and tools out of sight. Visit our store here in Phoenix, where you can get set up with a cover in less than an hour. Get it done while you wait. TruckAccessPlus.com.